Pegou, João. Pegou, João. Pegou, João. Pera aí. Cuidado, cara. Segura ele. Pega ele, escapou. Pega ele. Não acredito que ele escapou. Puta que pariu. Que merda. Merda.
Okay.
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh. Let, here, Sarah, give me the thing.
Daddy!
Oh, he's got no line. That wheel's line.
You would if you stuck an eyes up my backside, I'd go have shit too.
Yeah, just pull up on him like you did that. Oh!
Oh no! Jesus Christ! Oh. There you go, boys.
Okay. Wind up, Johnny. You still got...
I freed-out down to him. I waved my hand like in front of his face to see what he'd do. And he leaped forward and grabbed my arm to my elbow. And he started thrashing me. At that moment, I got a hold of the fish and I swam to the surface head first. And then I got my arm worked out, when I could breathe on the surface, I got my arm out of his mouth and then released it. But if one bites you, just...
Right here. Yep.
As far as you can reel, so I'm going to angle it towards me. There we go.
Nice. Whoa, you son of a bitch!
Come on, Johnny.